Good morning, my dear children. Welcome you all in your EVS class. Our today's topic is farm animals. They are very helpful for us. Let's see how. This is a cow. Cow gives us milk. This is a horse. Horse carry a load. This is a sheep. Sheep gives us wool and meat. This is a hen. Hen gives us meat and egg. Rabbit also gives us meat. This is a donkey. Donkey carry a load. This is a goat. Goat gives us mutton. Duck also gives us meat and egg. This is an ox. Ox plow our field. This is buffalo. Buffalo also gives us milk. Open your EVS book at page number 18. Write down the date and day on top. Here you can see many farm animals. Let's spell out all the farm animals. C-O-W cow, H-O-R-S-E horse, B-U-F-F-E-L-O buffalo, D-O-N-K-E-Y donkey, H-E-N hen, S-H-E-E G-O-A-T goat, D-U-C-K duck, O-X ox. So children, do reading, make a short video and send it to your teacher. Thank you and have a nice day.